Hello everyone and welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to download Minecraft Bedrock for free. So you have to go to this implemented Windows tool that is named Microsoft Store. If you don't have down there this application, you can find it in the Windows key. So you will appear here in a store, and in this store you have to look for Minecraft in the search bar up there, and you will have to download this Minecraft launcher. But okay, so you will be able to play a free trial, but we do not want to play a free trial. So what do? Well, when we open the application, before opening it already, you have to disconnect the Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and once the game is opened, you will connect the internet again. So in this way, you will be able to play without limitations. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, subscribe, like, share, and press the bell in the subscription button. And remember that we have a lot of Minecraft tutorials, Roblox tutorials, every game and every application in the whole world. So it's a whole world. So subscribe and see you next time. Goodbye.